All right, guys, we got us one where the owner said it was screeching, and then she could hear it trying to come on but not doing anything. So let's see what's going on. Okay, I just turned it on. That motor is smoking hot for me to have just turned it on. Is that just from the sun? Come on. I just checked the filter was clean. Did those fittings ever get used? I've never seen them used before. I think they made them and are going to try to start a new kind of quick connect that nobody ever used. Tell you what, it is smoking hot today. That's why that compressor is surging. It's got really high head pressure. It looks like we got a piston. And the condenser fan motor is about to go out. Y'all hear that? Suction pressure is going up. Head pressure still high. That's dirty. Let's go turn it off. Ow! Oh, that was hot. It is smoking hot today, and this call is right in the sun. Let's make sure we don't have power. Sorry if y'all can't see. Nothing. All right, we have condenser fan motors condenser fan motor wires right here that need to be disconnected, and we have a common go straight to the contactor. Y'all forgive me if y'all get a little bit of wind noise. All right, let's see what kind of motor we're gonna need. It's like 1.8, 2.8, 230, 825 RPM. Cap is a 5. 825 RPM. I got one. All right, let's get it off. cooking. My sun's right out, my van's right out in direct sun too, so there's no shade over there. You don't ever want to lose one of those if you don't have a spare. How about that? Not sure if I can take that off with. I'm gonna try. Smoking hot. This motor's been rolling around on my shelf for a while. I've been looking for a reason to use it. I think it was just in a box and rolling around so long the box deteriorated. Okay. I'm gonna have to check the circulation old school, I guess. I think I must have tried to mount it or something. I'm trying to figure out why this was just rolling around on my shelf. Maybe I tried to mount it and it was the wrong RPM or something, because this is a 825. That little fan sure is helping right now. right now. Let me go get my nut driver. Et voila. Best nut driver that Klein's come out with, the multi-nut driver. It's got a pass-through 11/32, which I'm using it right now, with a magnet. Love it. No, I'm not going to use those. I'm trying to set this in the shade so it's not blowing that really hot air on me. Make sure that's on the flat part. Tighten her down. It's tight enough. .45.5, that's what I just picked up, and that's what the motor needs. Blue goes to Herm. First, let's get our, this is how far my wires reach. So first I'm going to leave those connections on that side. Plug this back up. This, I'm reusing the wires that were on this. I feel for the guys working on those white rooftops. I actually turned down one of those calls today at a shoe store. I think it was a metal rooftop because I've been there before. it was basically agreeing to do a job for somebody I hadn't seen in like 10 years, and my regular customers are needing me. I'm overbooked as it is, so I did turn down that job. And my capacitor wire. I'm interested to fire this thing up and check my rotation. Then we're going to work on this coil. Y'all saw me putting these two together. When you have capacitor wires, a brown and a brown with a white stripe, the one with the white stripe is the same winding as the one with the white stripe, and that is run, and your capacitor is always between start and run. So run on one side, start on the other. Let's see if I can make that work. There we go. All right, all my commons go to 1. Now I'm going to tell you something about these. This run winding, which is right here. No, it's this one. Right here. That run winding goes to the compressor, and from the contactor goes right here. So there's a connection between the contactor and the compressor on that one, and it's on the capacitor. Alright, to show y'all what I did, all my yellows on common, which is actually the run winding, start for the fan, start for the compressor. Alright, I'm going to secure those like that. Alright, before we move to cleaning this coil, let's check our rotation. Oh, I can't push in the contactor. right, we're turning the right direction. Let's kill the power and secure this a little better. My little hose, y'all don't have to tell me the jokes, wasn't long enough. Dang it. Come on. Next time your boss asks you why it's taking you so long, some of these calls are 2-3 hours.
I started watching a new series that I had never seen on Dexter. The character of Dexter is entertaining. Alright, y'all don't have to watch all this. I'm gonna get this done, put it back together, and I'll bring you back. It might be smoking hot, but at least on this call I got to play around in the water a little bit. And of course it's not wanting the twist. I'm gonna have to go in and reset the thermostat. I'm gonna plug these up first. Let's go turn it on. Well guys, I need a water after that one. I was even starting to feel a little bit lightheaded. So I'm glad that one's done. Cool off a little bit, sit in the vehicle, enjoy the air conditioning, and head to the next one. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you on the next one.